Hello, I'm Jeffari from 8 Skies Consulting. Today we're going to learn how to add employees in this accounting system. But before we proceed, let's explain why should we add employees in this accounting system. We are adding employees in this accounting system in order to be able to manage employees related costs. So when we say employees related costs, we speak of earnings such as basic salary, allowances, bonuses, overtime, and other earnings. But we also need to manage employees' contributions like NSSF, Workers' Compensation Fund, and other statutory contributions. We also need to manage statutory deductions such as pay as you earn. So how do we add employees in this accounting system? As we have been doing in the previous trainings, we will use one of the system features found on our left hand side column here. So you scroll down, and somewhere down here you'll find employees feature listed here, and you have 0, which means we haven't registered any employee. So this 0 here to the right of the word employees means there is no any employees registered in this accounting system already. So you click on the employees and you will have an option to add a new employee. Going back to our model question, our first employee is Ali Juma. So I'm going to write Ali Juma on the name space and then address. Our model question is not indicating any address for Ali Juma, but we're going to write something here. We're not going to leave it blank as it is. So post office box 445, let's say Dar es Salaam. So if you have email address and telephone numbers, you can continue writing them at the bottom of the word Dar es Salaam. Email address, if you have email address for that particular employee, you can put it here. It's good that you have all the information of a particular employer, so that your system will be able to help you to get all the information you want for that particular employee when needed for one reason or another. Once you have this information filled out, you simply click on create. When you create it, then let's scroll down. Let's take a look at the employees feature here. You will see there is number 1 to the right of it, which means we have 1 employee registered already. So to add other employees, we follow the same steps. So you click on employees, and then you will have an option to add another employee here. So you click on a new employee. We go back to our model question, and then this is Said Hafid, so we write his name here. Address maybe is post office box 444 Arusha. If you have telephone number, you can add them at the bottom, and if you have email address, you can put it there as well. So we go ahead and create. So going back to the model question, we have last employee, who is Zahur. Again, the procedures are the same. We scroll down to employees feature. Now you can see number 2, which means we have 2 employees registered. When you click on the employees, then you see 2 employees who are registered, and you still have an option to add another employee. So I hit new employee button, and then I write Zahur here, and then I don't put any address here, as long as you know that you can put address and email address. So I proceed on this create button here. Once I create this one, scrolling down to employees, you can now see we have 3 employees registered. So when I click on employees, you will see their names here. Thank you for watching.